Hola guys, welcome back to Mika Luna's Dolls and More. I am so excited as always because today we're going to be unboxing the cake decorating playset. And this is a set that I got through Amazon. I have not seen it at any stores yet. As we know, Amazon usually is really good about releasing things earlier than the stores. So when I saw it, I was like, OMG, this is so adorable. It reminds me a lot of like the kitchen playset or like the pizzeria playset. It has like so many different decorating things for your cake. And in the back of the box, you can take a closer look at everything that it comes with. It also includes this confetti dough, which I'm so excited about, and I wonder if it smells like confetti. So once we open it, I'll be able to tell you whether it smells like confetti or it doesn't smell like anything. There's a little cake box included. That's really cool. And also it says you can insert dough into the this part right here of bakery, and then your cake rises, and then you could also add designs, decorate, and also display and pay. It also comes with a manual or instruction manual, and it has a list of the contents and then also how do you play with it. So this doll comes included in the set, and just taking a closer look, she's pretty generic. I mean, she's obviously not articulated or anything like that. So a pretty simple doll. I love her outfit. She's just wearing this little cute dress that has no Velcro on the back, but she does have this little apron that's really cute, and it has like little cakes on it. She's wearing this rubbery pink tennis shoes. The set has a cake display, which is pretty sturdy, I would say. It is a plastic material. It has this little see-through sort of like microwave or oven here. This is where the cake will pop up. It's got the temperatures, it's got the buttons right here for the stove. It's got a cake display right here that you can basically move. And this is a thing for the cake decorating. So I guess once you move the cake closer to it, it will make some sort of patterns. And you can switch them up and rotate them as you wish. In here, I guess you could put the other accessories that it came with. It came with this cake display, which is a pretty sturdy plastic. And then it comes with a bunch of little accessories, some candles. It's come with this little cake decorator. This other accessory, which I think is for the cake. We're just gonna hang it right there. Comes with a spatula. Comes with this rainbow and cloud cake decoration. Cute little teddy bear cake decoration too. It comes with a plate, a fork, and a knife. It has a little cashier or little charging station. It has this cake box. And it also brings some dough. Here's a confetti one, here's a teal one, and a pink one. So it says they contain wheat, and they have 2017 date on it. Okay, so looking at the instructions, it says we're supposed to make 2 balls, I guess one small and one bigger, and then put them in the oven. Okay, so next up we're supposed to pop it up, I guess. Oh, there it is. Okay, so now we have the cake. We're supposed to remove it. I think I needed to add more. So let's do it one more time. Okay, so here are my cakes. I would say they're not bad. There's this little thing on the bottom or a little hole that you're supposed to put them in here. So I think I'm gonna put this for now. So it tells you when you need to put them through here, through the display, and then what you wanna do is choose the decoration you want. So you're supposed to move. You can also use this to decorate it. So this one has little hearts. Okay, and I think we're ready to maybe put a cake topper to it. We're gonna go ahead and put this one right there. So here's a closer look at the cake. I think it's pretty cute. I think we can definitely decorate this other one right here. Okay, so this time we're gonna use the confetti one. And the confetti one does not smell any sweet or anything like that. I mean, it just kind of looks like confetti. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some Play-Doh from my secret stash. And this is not Play-Doh that came with the set. So I'm gonna see how well they mix together. Okay, one of the things I just noticed is that this tray actually comes out, and as you can see, a lot of the dough gets stuck in here. That's gonna ruin a lot of cakes for you because it's gonna be mixing the different types of color of doughs for you. So what you definitely want to do is go ahead and clean it out. Look at all that dough. Here's all the leftover dough that I have. So all this is wasted dough. Okay guys, so I really like this set. I wish it would bring more Play-Doh. It doesn't bring enough. I think it's not sufficient for like 2 cakes of each color. Specifically for the blue, you could probably make a big blue cake and a small blue cake. I'm pretty much out because I've used all of it. And then for the pink one, it brings enough to make 2 of the big cakes. And for the confetti one, I would say the same thing about the blue. 2 of the small ones, or 1 small, 1 big, possibly. So I don't like that the dough did not smell like anything. I wish it would have been sweet because, you know, bakeries, you think confetti, you think sweetness, but it didn't smell like anything. As far as the display, I love the display. It's really sturdy. I love that you can display your cakes up here. I love all the accessories that it has. I kind of do like the decorating tool over here. I find it that it doesn't work as well on the smaller cakes compared to the larger cakes, but you know, I think it's really cute. I definitely love all the little decorations that you can put on top of the cake. I think they're really creative. I really like that you had 2 different cake sizes, and I love that you could definitely remove this and clean it out. So it's not really bad at all. I really did like everything that it came with. It was just maybe I needed a little bit more Play-Doh. Maybe more different colors. Instead of blue, maybe have maybe like a yellowish, something like that. But other than that, you can get really creative. So other than that, overall the set is really cute, really adorable, colorful. You can use your own Play-Doh if you wanted to. I really liked it. I'm so excited to do some future projects. You will see some of my videos coming up where I do a whole bakery with other play sets, and I'm so excited about that. Let me know what you think. Do you like this play set? Do you have something similar to this maybe that was released in the past? Let me know down in a comment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and this review. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can watch my future videos, and I will see you next time. Adios!